Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today we're going to go over how you'd replace brakes, front brakes, on a 2019 Kia Forte. So the car has been jacked up, supported by jack stands, and I've got the steering wheel turned to the left for ease of ability to get to these pieces. So we've got two bolts here to remove, and that'll bring out the whole caliper. And then we've got the carrier itself, and we've got two bolts there that we remove behind that. So these two bolts are size 14. Sometimes they don't come completely free without ease, so you gotta put a wrench on top down there. So we can just swivel that up like that. And while it's up here, I'm gonna break. Pop these little clips off. So you can take one of your old brakes, put it in there. And use this just a pusher tool, or you can use a C-clamp. And then just push that caliper back. And we're noting that it pushes back fairly easy, so that's a good sign that your caliper is still good. If it was quite tough to push back, then you would want to be looking into either just replacing the whole caliper or getting or rebuilding it. There you go. Just push back. And if you use the old brake, you won't push it back too far. It'll only go to the extent it can. So once we've done that, we'll finish removing this number 14 bolt. Set that up there like that. And then we want to remove these two number 17 bolts to remove this whole carrier so that we can remove the rotor itself. To remove the rotor, so we've got two Phillips screws, which they're using a size 3 that we got to remove. So we use the swader tool to knock it off. This is the old rotor that's been removed. Put that aside. Alright. Wire brush, just clean that all up. Then we're going to check these and put some new lubricant in them. What you do is you pop these off. Pull it out. Wipe it clean, and then we got some just brake lube. Just put some on there. Press it in until it seals. That way we get good flotation there. This is a very high heat lube because your brakes get very hot. So we've got a little notice of some water that has gotten in there. Didn't seem to affect it completely, but you want to make sure when you put the put it back in that it's got a good seal from the rubber boot. Alright, so So that's set there. Set that there for the moment. And go get the new brakes and rotors to put on, and I'll be right back. So we now have our new rotor. We're just going to slip that on here. You want to line these screw holes up where those were so you can put the screw in there. There. Right. Now we can attach the carrier. So the carrier was just the two number 17s. Make sure they're good and tight. Right. Now, take the brake pads. Note with the brake pads, the one with the two raised dots, that goes on the outside. Press in like that, and then you've got these little clips to put on. And what these clips do is they help hold the brakes off of the rotors while you're driving down the road. We got our two number 14s to put in. Tighten those up.